Oh, hello everybody. Last section of chapter 6 is 6.4. This is just quick review for all the conic sections. So the first part of the problem we have to identify. So here is identifying the conic section. So here's the graph, the standard form. Also remember all the conic sections overall we can write in this form too. Ax squared plus by squared plus cx plus dy equal f. If you remember, we taught this one when we talked about the circle. So here is everything, and if you follow this video, you should be able to identify all the conic section at this point. So the first one we graphed was the parabola. There's the two kind of parabolas. One was the opening upward and downward. So when the y is by itself, y equal ax squared plus bx plus c, that is your parabola opening upward. And we also know if the a is negative, it will go downwards. The same thing, if the x and y interchange and x is by itself, well then ay squared plus by equals c, that's your horizontal parabola opening right and left. And is the right if a is positive, the left if is negative. And also you can tell this way too, this is the overall standard form. If a is 0, so if the one of them a or b equals 0, so if the a is 0 or b is 0, then the thing is it's going to be the parabola. So a or b, one of them must be 0. The second one we talked about previous chapter a long time ago, the circle. So this is a circle x squared plus y squared equal r squared. This is circle the center at the origin. So in this case, both, they cannot be 0. A and b cannot be 0. And a must be equals b. So keep in mind, a must be equal b. A nor b can be 0. So then ellipse was, we have a plus here, it must be equal 1. So this is x squared over a squared plus y squared over b squared equal 1. A cannot be equal b. And a and b, they must have the same signs. Or in this case, if you remember the same chapter, a is greater than b. So if the a is under x squared, so that is the ellipse along x-axis. And if the a squared is under y squared, is ellipse along a vertical axis. And the last one we just talked about, hyperbola. So there's the minus in the middle. So if it's a minus equal 1, so that is your hyperbola. So a and b have opposite sign. Keep in mind, for the ellipse, a and b must have the same signs, and a and b must have opposite signs if it is a hyperbola. So this is pretty easy section. The first part of the homework is asking you to identify. We're not graphing anything. And the second one is the graph. So make sure to review all the graphing videos. So this one did really good. Circle we did a long time ago. So if it's ellipse is a plus, and if it's a hyperbola, if it's a minus, they both must be equal 1. And also remember, is r cannot be negative. If it's r is 0, then the graph is just the point. Okay, so do the homework on this one. And the last section we're going to do for the semester is 7.1. So I will post this one and the 7.1 video today. And that's your end of the semester. Next week we will have test number 4, and then we have a final exam. So do the homework, let me know if somebody needs help. I can make another video. So just watch this one and make sure open the textbook and try to figure it out. Thank you.